1. Add baby shampoo to a bucket of water. Any type of baby shampoo will work. Pour a capful of the shampoo into a bucket filled with lukewarm water. Quickly run your hands through the water to thoroughly mix in the baby shampoo. 2. Work through the jeans with your hands. Put the jeans in the water and let them soak for a few minutes. Then, use your hands to work the baby shampoo and water thoroughly through the jeans. Doing this will help relax the fibers of your jeans. 3. Squeeze out the excess water. Once you have worked the baby shampoo through your jeans, use your hands to squeeze out the excess water. You only need to squeeze gently. Don't wring or rinse out the jeans. 4. Roll the jeans up in a clean towel. Use a clean, dry towel that has been washed before so that the fibers of the towel don't rub off on the jeans. Lay the wet jeans out flat on top of the towel. Roll the towel up while the jeans are inside it. Gently press on the towel so that the jeans absorb the excess moisture. 5. Pull on the jeans as they dry. Get another clean, dry towel. Lay the jeans on top of the towel. They should still be damp at this point. Gently pull on the jeans to stretch them out. Work on every part of the jeans until the entire garment has been stretched. 6. Allow the jeans to air dry. Leave the jeans on the same towel where stretched them out. Keep the jeans on the towel until they are completely dry. Inspect your jeans or try them on to see if they have been stretched out enough. You can put a fan in front of the towel to speed up the drying process.